All right, so we have been able to download the source code which we are using for creating a cryptocurrency, which is this particular one. So we'll be able to download this particular one. So we have it right now in our system. So which is, remember git clone this address. It's cloning it to gas gas king coin. So now we are now having the source code in our operating system, which is Ubuntu operating system. So what we then need to do, I'm going to tell you things you need to know about this particular source code we are using. Remember, we are using that of Bitcoin. So I'll show you various things you need to know. So for example, let's go inside CD gas king coin LX. So this is what we have here. We have contributing, copy, install, make.arm, read, all of this, autogen, all of this. Now we're going to look at the structure of this source code, which is that of Bitcoin. So what we need to do, remember, there's something we need to do. We need to check, because if you clone the Bitcoin source code directly, if you clone the source code, the main master branch is that of development. So you are not going to get you're not going to you're going to see something. Even if you compile the source code totally, you're going to see a warning. You're going to receive a warning, because the main release has they change it from true to false. So which is here in this particular folder here, that particular folder. So if you look at VI, or let's go nano. Nano is used for editing. VI is also used for editing. So we are going to go with nano. So if we do that, this is it. So you're looking at this. You see, this is a client version, and 0.019.99 the client build, and you're seeing false. So if now you don't change this to true, you don't change this particular place to true, at the end of the day, when you compile your source code, you're going to see a warning. You get. So let's go out of it. So what we need to do is to check the branch that is presently uh, available. So git branches. Okay, sorry, branch. So master. So git tag. So you look at this. So git tag showed us various branches and all that. So this the particular. So if you come to this particular place, you look at branch, you go 19.00. So what we'll now do is to change it to 19. So 19.0. So what we'll use is git checkout 0.19. So it's moved to another branch, which is 0.19. Now let's look at LX. So let's look at this, what we have here, if it's true or not. Nano, you see this one is 0.19.0.1. You get, and now it was built, the copyright was in 2009 19. You get. So now why this is true, you understand. So this is the main, one of the particular thing we need to know in the Bitcoin source code. So in our next video, we'll be looking at orders. You get. So orders and what to do and what not to do. Keep watching my channel. You get more updates of new video and various things coming on board. You're going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching.